Hello everybody, this is Need for Speed World. I am Random Sarah Grace if you've only just clicked on this video. I'm quite new to this game, I've been playing it for about 3 months. The addicting thing about this game is buying cars, so yeah. Okay, so the first one is the Lamborghini Diablo. This is a really nice looking car. I haven't seen many people with this car, and it's quite a shame because it's quite low end and it's not, you know, too expensive. So it's really nice and the sound is just amazing. Listen. It just sounds freaking amazing, and what I'm wondering in Need for Speed is the fact that can people hear you when you go past them in a car. So the next car is a Lamborghini Roadster. This car is very good looking, a lot of people like it. The sound of it when it is downgrading or upgrading the gears, it kind of makes like a MIDI soundtrack. Because the sound quality isn't brilliant if you turn it onto high settings. This is a very good looking car. The sound is okay, not brilliant, it's okay. I don't like using it for races, for example. I use it for exploring mainly when I'm doing my gems or something. This car is very good because it's got the handling, everything is balanced. I'm kind of bummed that I bought it with, you know, speed boost when I figure it's in game cash now. Say if you've just had your first car and you want a new car, I'd say the Subaru Impreza is quite a good one for you. This has a really good downgrading sound. The only problem I had with this car is I don't think it looks like the original Subaru, so I tried putting a body kit on it. You can't have the colour to be bright blue, so it's annoying. The next car is Mazda 3. This car was my first car. I think over time, I probably didn't notice it when I first had it, but it has a good sound. Also, in Need for Speed, the only boring thing about it, two things. The only thing that's boring about it is that once you've done all your races, sometimes you're just like sitting there thinking, what do I do now? And majority of people don't talk in game, and if they do talk, they're on microphone chat, and then they're usually under 13, and it's like really awkward. Then the other thing is, if you're playing the game to get money to buy other cars, then I would suggest to you get speed boost, and you only need like 550 to boost the money up, and that lasts for 10 days, which I don't think is that bad. If you don't want to, then I'd recommend just doing drag races. Try to come first, because you're most likely to get the most money, or do pursuits, get used to them, get good at them, because the more time you spend and the more stuff you do, wrong in their case, then the more money you gain and the more experience you gain to level up. So yeah, bye everyone.